Hello everybody, welcome back to the Devil's in the Detail. As you can see, I'm halfway through this brand new Range Rover Evoque. Unfortunately has been used as a tip run car, so it's been quite the mission to get it looking back to a bit respectable. I'm only about halfway through it, but we're getting there. It's having one of our premium Valets. All this was absolutely massacred, as was the head lining. I just dropped this shelf down. All the head lining around here was just covered in mud and everything else that you could throw at it. So it's been quite a lot of work so far just to start getting the interior looking clean. The car came in with about ½ inch of mud all over it, so me and Gary spent yesterday washing it multiple times to get it back to this. I don't really know what colour to call it. It's like a very light grey, I suppose you'd call it. Looks like a crayony colour that Porsche have. So I'm just getting through it. I've done this side at the back and just about to start on the driver's compartment and all the dash area and everything, but it's better than no work at all, as you can imagine, being off so long. Work's not in abundance. I think people thought I've packed up for good, so the phone hasn't been ringing like it used to. I'm sure I can get it back. You know, but it's just, I suppose, a bit of advertising and stuff. But of course, I do tend to specialise in the better quality of work, not just quick in and out roadside valets and stuff. But yeah, you know, this is going to have a day's worth of work really, to get it back looking prim and proper. So I'll have a walk around of it when I've finished it. You know, I mean, it is, you know, it's less than a year old. So we'll try and get it back looking like that. But we're halfway there. Right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bit of a walk around. Now that the car's finished. The head lining's all clean. Seats have been cleaned. That's all looking fresh again. They're the best 200 quid he's ever spent. Looks like brand new again.